Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 10X Lite, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer, and it is very important to be on the phone option, because if you will be on the contacts or favorites, it won't work. You won't be able to find particular section. So if you are on the phone, let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the blocked. And as you can see here, we've got whole blocked section. Here you've got call block rules and message block rules. So it's quite cool option that you can set them. After tapping on call block rules, you can block all incoming calls, unknown numbers, or private withheld numbers. Or in the message block rules, you can block unknown numbers. Obviously, if you want to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher next to it and activate that. So it's really up to you how you want to set it. Let me focus actually on the block list. So let's tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner. Here we've got call block rules and message block rules. So it was just before, I just shown to you. And here we've got the block list and trust list. And let's enter the block list. And here we've got the empty block list, so just tap on add. And here we've got a few options from which we can choose. We can add the number manually, block prefix, add from contacts, from call logs, or the messages. So let me pick the manually, and as you can see here, we can freely enter the number we want to block and tap on OK. And it immediately appears on the blacklist, so it means that from now on this device will block this particular number, and you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. What's more, here we've got your device will count all blocked calls and blocked messages. If you want to unblock this number, just tap on it and hold it, and as you can see right now it is marked, so you can remove and it will immediately disappear from the block list just upon remove. And as you can see, the block list is empty. The same situation with the trust list. So here you've got you will allow all calls and messages from that number, or you've got the keyword block list, which means that your device will block messages which will contain particular keywords. So for example, I don't know, you can add here weather or microphone or water, and then your device will block all calls which will have those words. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Honor 10X Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.